welcome to your first maths lesson of week 3. Very exciting. So today we are looking at perimeter, which we have already done in class, so you should be experts at it. But we're going to recap. But to begin with, you've got these lovely warm-up sheets, just like you had last week. I want you to pause the video and have a go at them. Off you go. Okay, well done everyone. So on the next slide we've got the answers, or they're also in the folder so you can have a look. Mark your own, make sure you've got them all right. If you haven't got them right, double check your answers, see where you went wrong. Well done. Okay, next, I want you to have a go at working out what 4 times 2 times 5 is. So pause the video and have a go. Okay, well done. So let's have a go at this then. So 2 times 4, or 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. Now, the magic is when multiplying 3 separate one-digit numbers is you can move the numbers in any order and you'll still get the same answer. Do you remember doing this? It's called commutative law. Okay, so let's try a different one. Well, same numbers, different order. So this time we're going to do 2 times 5, which is 10. And then I could do 10 times 4, which still equals 40. But I don't know about you, but I found that one a bit easier. Who knows? Okay, next one. Pause the video and have a go at this one. Okay, well done. So let's have a go at this. So let's do 6 times 3. That's 18. And now 18 times 5. Oh, that's quite tricky. Let's try a different one. Let's rub that out. Try that in a different order. Let's do 6 times 5, which is 30. Okay, and now we're going to do 30 times 3, which you could probably all tell me is 90. That was so much easier, wasn't it? So remember, rearrange the numbers, it doesn't matter. Lovely, and the last one I want you to have a go at, pause the video and have a go. Okay, let's go through this. We've got 7 times 3, which is 21. 21 times 10 is 210. Lovely, but remember, we can try that in a different order. So let's try it. Let's do 10 times 3. 30. And then 30 times 7. That's going to be 210. Lovely. Perfect. So that one's probably a little bit trickier. Probably should have stuck with the first one. Okay, my lovelies. Right, next, we're going to have a look at perimeter. Okay, so you have done a little bit of work on perimeter before. So remember, perimeter is the outside of a shape. Okay, so if I had this fabulous Rotten Roman book, the perimeter would be the lengths going around the outside. Okay, so we're going to have a look here. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 22 centimetres. Now at the moment I don't really care about which length is which, it doesn't really matter, but can you see how the arrows go all the way around the outside? And if we got a piece of ribbon and laid it all the way around the edge of that rectangle, if we spread it out, then that would show us 22 centimetres. That is the length around the outside. Lovely. So I want you to have a look at these shapes and ask yourself, can we measure the perimeter of them? So pause the video and have a think. Lovely. So we can find the perimeter of shapes A and D. Well done if you spotted that on the slide. We can't do B and C because can you see there's like a break in the shape? Okay, so we wouldn't be able to measure all the way around the outside, and in C there's a little break there and a little break there. But just like in the previous question, if we got a piece of ribbon, we could place it all the way around the outside of that shape and then place it against a ruler and see how big it is. Lovely. So when we did perimeter before in school, we found the perimeter by counting the squares around the edges of a shape. So let's recap how we did that. So we literally got our red pens and put a stroke through every single line that we counted. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so if we're imagining that these squares are a centimetre in each side, then this would be a 16 centimetre perimeter. Okay, so the distance around the outside of the shape would be 16 centimetres. Okay, let's try shape B. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this perimeter is also 16 centimetres. Okay, and now let's have a go at C. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is 20 centimetres. Okay, so fingers crossed you've all got that. There's a really good section on your sheet to have a go at finding the perimeter, so you can have a go at that. And then, now these ones are a little bit trickier. So this is finding the perimeter by using measurements that are already there, okay? So not all of you are going to be doing these. So basically we need to find the missing measurements. Nice and easy, really. So here, we know that that's 4 centimetres, this side is 12 centimetres, this side 7 centimetres, this side is 5 centimetres. So if we know that this side is 12 and this little bit is 5, we can work out this length by doing 12 take away 5, which is 7 centimetres. Okay, and we can also work out this length by seeing that here this is 7 centimetres and this is 4, so this is going to be 3 centimetres. Okay, hopefully you all got that. So what you would do now is add up all of these lengths to find the perimeter of that shape. Okay, right, now let's have a look at the next one. Very, very similar. So here we know that this length is 6 and this length is 5, so we can add up 5 and 6 to get 11, and then take away 3 is going to be 8 centimetres. Lovely. Is that the only one missing there? Oh, we've got another one here. Okay, so if this is this length here is 13 centimetres, we want to find out this bit. This little bit is 5, this little bit is 4. We add those up to get 9. So this bit is going to be 4 centimetres. Okay, lovelies. Right, so what I would like you to do now is have a go at the questions on your sheets. Off you go. See you tomorrow. Bye.